Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and this is another free tutorial demonstrating how you can make artwork inside of Adobe Flash or Animate. And the first thing I'm going to show you is how quickly you can make an eye. So grab the rectangle, do exactly the same as what you would do with the circle. Press the right click button and then Control break apart. I break it apart. Control break apart. And what I do is I press Control and Shift and hold them down, and then pull out a point like that and like that, because simply it doesn't really look like the shape of an eye, but it obviously is if you match the pieces of it like that, because that's actually quite a good manga eye. But think about the actual definition of an eye. You would think it's like that, but to me I'd rather do that. Then select it, press FN and F8 and just say I select. Go inside of it, which I've already explained, which is giving it a separate layer, and then go copy shift paste in place, copy shift paste or control shift, hold on, control copy, control and C, then control shift and paste, which is V, do it to 2 layers above, and then just get the free transform tool, which is here, or Q on the keyboard, bring it down like that, and on layer 2 just go modify, shape, expand, fill and inset again. And that's perfect according to me, because the reason it is that this part here is obviously going to be white, so colour white, and then the outline here should be, well, I'm going to choose, just for fun, grey, like that. It doesn't really look like an eye, but go up to layer 4, grab the rectangle again, pull it over like that, simply break it apart, Control B, and then FN and F8, and type in eyelid. Eyelid, see? Go inside of it, ratio it, with artwork obviously. So you obviously create an art. I'll get rid of the line, and you can see now that is like an eyelid if you do that. But you can mess around with it until it's perfect, which would be, well, there according to me. But this here needs to be black according to starting out with an outline and then recolouring it. Grab hold it, press Control C and go 3 layers, Control Shift V, Control Shift V, and do exactly the same as what you did to the eye, because it's a really, well, fun way of making it in a speedy time. Then say modify, shape, expand, fill, inset, move that over like that. And what does an eyelid need? It needs to be exactly, well, you know what eyelid has, it's eyelashes, simple as that. And that there should be grey, just to start off with the colours. So go out, now you have 2 of them, so Control copy, Control Shift V, because that's a symbol already. And then all I do is go modify, shape, hold on a minute, modify, shape, hold on, modify symbol, transform, sorry, and that was just a quick way of ratioing what you use slightly in a way of understanding what you use to develop parallel artwork, flip horizontally, and then modify, transform, flip vertically, and then, because some of the artists will probably laugh how easy it is. Look at that now, isn't that pretty good, man? Then go this here, we need to add a layer, and you can see layer 4, your eyelids, are above layer 6 and above layer 3. Then you get the tools, go to oval tool and just bring in an eye like that. Now get this here and say control, no, FN and F8, call it pupil, and then go control break a bar, which is control and B, control and copy, which is control and C, control and C, control shift V in the same quantity, then do that there, then copy and paste in place again, make it even smaller, but do exactly that, make it white, because if you draw on paper, you know for a fact that this here should be blue, this here should be definitely black, so black. Now it looks like that, so it looks quite good, doesn't it? It looks like a eagle eye. And then control copy, control shift paste, and then just go modify, transform, flip horizontally. And look what you have. You have two brilliant eyes instantly. Well, not instantly, but they're developed very well. And if you look at this character, which I'm going to complete, then you understand totally what it makes. But that was a short tutorial of how you can develop eyes according to perfect parallel art, and it is, well, it's good, slightly good, but you know, eventually it will end up as a face. And I will teach you that in the tutorial packages that you can purchase. Thank you for listening.